Hey guys, so in this video we're basically going to be pulling off the doors and the rear quarter glass. So let's start by pulling out the speakers so that we can get those wires pulled out. Here's the rear quarter glass trim. It's supposed to slide right out, but it didn't, so I had to bend it out a little. So at the rear of the car, there's a couple screws that hold the latch for the glass in place. And then we just remove the front two screws and the glass will come right off. There we go, no more glass, and the seal comes off easily too, revealing this window jamb. Here's the kick panel all popped off. For this side, you need to remove the hood latch. Other than that, it pops right off. I decided to remove the rear filler piece as well. It's held on by these 3 bolts. So in the corners, it looks like the seam sealer is cracking. So I'll clean them up and apply some new seam sealer. So here I'm removing the door. I'm going to remove the bolts going into the door and not the ones going into the frame. This will be less work lining up the door later. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be working on some of the edging here. What I'm going to be doing is just basically clean this hole up. This is the door. Wipe it all down really clean, and then anywhere there's missing paint, I'm going to touch it up with some POR 15. I'm not going to be spraying the backside, this side of the door, so that's kind of okay for me to be POR 15ing it. So basically, there are certain areas where like the paint rubbed off for like a long time, like over here, and it's caused some surface rust, which I was fixing on the back side already, or the front side. This is actually the back side. So I'm gonna basically sand down a lot of this, just clean up the rust as good as I can, mask it off, and add a coat of POR 15 to it. So what I'm actually doing, just wiping it down with some Windex. And it's not the ammonia-free one, it's actually got ammonia on it. This will help it evaporate faster, and it'll help cut any grease and wax off of that. Like, look at this, it's just filthy back here. So, just giving it a quick wipe down. Doesn't have to be super clean, like I said, it's not an area that I'm going to be painting. But if you were to paint this area, this is definitely something that you have to clean and make it, like, spotless. There we go, all sealed up with POR 15. Here I'm sanding all the surface rust that was under the kick panel. Now I'm just going to finish off by sanding down the door jambs and window jambs. I know it's a lot of sanding, but sanding is basically all the prep. Anyways guys, that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!